Hey, so you want to know how to recover a TikTok account? I just said a because in this video you learn not only how to recover your TikTok account if you've lost it, like I know you did, you can't even remember where your phone is, and you're probably watching this video from a phone.
Good one.
But you also learn how to recover anyone else's TikTok account without malicious intent, obviously. And there are two ways, and you'll learn them both in this video. All I want from you is to grab two things. You know what it is. You probably already know what it is. First, a cup of coffee because you are awesome. And second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe with bell notifications on because this is the way to do it. I'm telling you right now, if you want to grow on TikTok, Instagram, social media, business in general, probably even in your hate. Okay, so again, there are two ways to do it. So the first one is by clicking can't log in and then typing in either your email or username. For example, I'll use my phone. There's a little verification I gotta do here. Then we'll go through here and it says login to verify or with Google, and you can choose one of these. If you don't have your phone number and you don't have your Google account, an alternative is clicking the submit verification form, and you gotta enter a bunch of stuff like username, phone number, obviously, location. You log into TikTok from model of mobile device used with TikTok, sign up date, sign up method, any additional information like a picture of your ID, a picture of you, maybe the footage, the raw footage, the original file of a really nice TikTok that you did. The idea is to verify it's you that actually getting the account. And you can actually submit that for a friend's account that he's lost and you want to help him out. The second way is to actually click the three dashes here while you're logged in, maybe from another account, from a friend's account, and you want to recover another account, or you're logged into your account and you want to recover another account. You click the three dashes right here, go down below, click on report a problem. From here there'll be a login option here somewhere. So from here, click on account and profile, then click on login, then click on either login in, lost or stolen passwords, suspended accounts, can log in with Instagram, adding multiple accounts, account logged out automatically, so probably logged in, and here you can recover your account, or click on lost or stolen passwords, and here you have a bunch of options.
Log out of the account, go to my profile by tapping the me icon, the sign in, the login at the bottom of the page, use phone or
email. And yeah, if that doesn't work, is your problem resolved? You click on no, and you click on still have the problem, and here you can actually explain the whole situation to TikTok. My attitude is stolen. I want a big TikTok account. Thank you. And this is how you do it. You add some images showing that you're the real person, and you're all good, hopefully. If this video helped you out, again, give it a like. If you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. And not only that, I can even shout you out in one of the next episodes. You don't trust me? Check that out. The shout out winner of this episode is Motivation Beast, who says his name is Make Pips Not War. That's obviously a Forex account, you know, Pips. Shout me out. Here you go. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away by the end of this video. Oh, that's comfortable. Check one of these videos out. Check it out. And now,